Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video where we are creating the mouse. And it was the progress till the last video. Let's proceed further. So what we'll do, we'll just make a partition so that we can extract few faces and create the top plastic. So for that, let's take this edge and bevel it. Control B to bevel it and scroll wheel for adding a edge in between. This is good enough. We'll use R S and scale it inside. Let's turn off the subdivision surface to see how inside it goes. This is good enough. This side a little bit. We're good. So this is now turn on the subdivision surface and see how it looks. Look pretty smooth. We will add more edge loops to make it perfect. As well. Looking much better. I think the gap is too much, so undo the bevel to be this much. So we'll do one will be and keep it enough. Like this, little. Good. You can see how it looks. Fine. This is good. Yeah, this is good. Good enough. Now go to face mode, and now we will first extract the buttons or everything. Here, select everything. And here, what we'll do shift duplicate. This is duplicating. Right click to cancel that duplicate. There we go. Now we have two mesh that goes inside. We'll just push this guy a little. Maybe you can GT twice. No. Push it out. We have one surface, and there's another surface which goes on top. What we'll do, we'll select this by L and press P to separate it by selection. We have one and two objects now. This is mouse and this is the cover we wanted. Now on the cover we already have mirror and subdivision since we copied it. What we'll do, we'll just move it again and let's put it inside and press A to select everything, and going to the local we'll push it outwards. Normal, push it outwards like this. That's fine. Or what else we can do? We don't have to do this. Let's not make it complicated. Let's split this guy from here. Alt and click. Wireframe and alt click on this switch. is separating these two parts. And what we'll do, right click and edge split, I guess. L and L, these two are separate parts. Now what we can do is we can separate them by pressing L, right click, no, so P, and by separation. We have two separate parts, the top part and the bottom. Go to shade mode, turn on your subdivision, turn subdivisions. Now, as we will just here we'll separate the button part. We'll do the same thing, control B, and into that this guy, yes, scale it down. Separation. Now tab, control R, and then up. Because this button is going this way. Select everything, move it forward. Stop. Good. Now the same thing we'll do in the middle as well. So select this edge, not there, but and if you hold Control and click on the last one, it will select everything which comes on that button. We want to go this Control, hit Control. Good. Here we are. You know what? We can separate the front part as well. Let's let you know. There is this arrow. See what the arrow is. Going backward. This one. Instead of normal, we select everything. Forward. Now what we'll do, we'll press tab to select this edge, right click and edge split. Split, not edge slot. Press tab, select this part, no, P, select. We've got these two parts again. Now what to do? Click on this edge, whole edge, Control B to since it's mirrored, it is not happening. Let's do Control R and place it, close it. On it, this guy. Go. Oh no. There we go. And now, ready? Like this guy, I moved it in wrong way. Scaled it in the wrong direction. So, in that case, what we can do, let's learn a little trick again. So what we'll do, we'll just click on it, Control V to relieve the faces. Now we have a gap. Or click on the edge. Hello, if you can hear me. Okay. And space. Let's scale it properly. Like spread it up. So you go here and press 0. Gonna do 0 value. and move it far. So now what we'll do, we'll tell that to modifier right tell for solidify isolate it by using the slash forward slash. We're getting this. So solidify what it does, it gives the thickness. Use the thickness. Solidify, we will increase the thickness by some mm. Make sure it doesn't give us any weird artifacts. Rim. See how it looks. Rim. Data. Increase color number 1. Not doing anything. Okay. Yes, even thickness is what we want. That is fine. Yeah, -1, that means it will go inwards. Simple. Let's no, simple is fine. We will have to remove this shading. Add another loop closer to this guy and press forward slash to come out of that view. If the gap is too much, again press 1 to go to the front view. And tighten this. Let's add this tool. This is fine. Now it is good, which is okay. If you want to improve this, you can select. Down. Gives a nice depth. Now let's add the scroll wheel. Oh, how much? Okay, 30 minutes. We'll add the scroll wheel in the next video. Like the video if you wanna know more about Blender, if you wanna keep watching more tutorials about Blender, follow this channel and like the video for my motivation. See you.